20W power delivery. Up to 20W of high-speed power to charge your smartphone and tablet devices. 4x faster. Charges your devices 4x faster than a standard 5W charger. Smart device detection. Automatically detects device type. Adaptive charging. Provides optimal charging current to ensure the fastest, most efficient charging experience. Advanced safety features. Overvoltage, overcurrent, and high-temperature protection keep your device safe. Compact design. Discreetly fits into most vehicles' auxiliary power outlet for fast charging on the go. The RapidVolt 20W car charger is a convenient, powerful USB-C adapter perfect for charging your devices on the go. The RapidVolt is designed to power your devices up to 4x faster than a standard 5W charger and offers wide compatibility with Apple, Samsung, and other Android phones and tablets. Its compact design fits seamlessly into most vehicles' DC connector without obstructing buttons or dials. Featuring smart device detection and adaptive charging, the RapidVolt automatically detects your device type and adjusts the charging current to ensure the fastest, most efficient charge. With advanced safety features including overvoltage, overcurrent, and high-temperature protection, you can rest easy. Simply plug the RapidVolt into your vehicle's power outlet, connect your device via a USB-C cable, and fast charging will begin automatically. USB-C cable not included.